Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 21st, 2026. I'm headed out to the leaf mold compost pile with Elon, the excavator here. It is just a muddy mess all around the property. This spring has been pretty challenging. We've had below freezing temperatures uh, just about every single night and many days. We had several inches of snow the day before yesterday. We've had rain pretty consistently since then as well, so it's not been an ideal start to spring yet. But I figure one thing I need to get done is get out here and turn this leaf mold slash compost pile, at least get that started. Now this pile is very, very wet, but and the pile over there in front of the boom right now is just the soil from last season. So what I'm going to do now is take a few scoops. There's some of the compostable material on this outer edge that we've been putting on here recently. It's all wet, absolutely sopping wet here, so you're not going to see much steam coming off of any of the scoops that I'm doing today. The ground is still pretty frozen. It's thawed down to about 12, maybe 14 inches at this point. But the ground is still really solid down deep below that, which just makes the whole thing a darn mess. When it snowed the other day, we got at least 8 inches. I don't know how much we actually got, but the ground was still, the surface was thawed and it was soaking wet. So that snow decreased in height rather quickly over a few hours while Thea and I were off getting our vehicles inspected and all. Then I got home and did the snow blowing, and of course that was a real challenge because you'll see the tire tracks that I make and the tracks from the heavy equipment, whether it's the excavator or the track loader. Everything is just digging into the soil. I need a lot of work to get done, lots of stone to be brought in for the driveway and all, and the roadways. So a lot of work's got to be done this season. It's been crazy. I've pretty much been inside continuously working on my manuscript. Now I've sent things off to copy editors to do their test of the first 2 chapters, and hopefully I'll be getting one. Today's Saturday. I'm hoping that my final copy editor who's doing a test. I had over 50 people submit for copy editing, and so pretty happy I got so many requests to do a copy edit, and so I sent off enough for I think 6. We're down to 3 right now. I'm waiting for the last one to come through, so then we'll choose whichever one's the best match for the book, and take it from there. And I imagine it may take 4 or 6 weeks for the copy edit process to get completed. And maybe I'm being a little bit too positive thinking there, because there may be questions that come up along the way and changes that have to be done throughout the process. But hey, I've spent enough time working on over 50 chapters to get it to the point where it's at this point. I have been taking and uploading. I probably got 40 of my songs uploaded to YouTube. They all haven't been released yet, but I'm trying to release a couple, 2, 3 a day, so that you can listen to them if you like. Today was a challenging one. Some of the things that are going on, in the country, besides talking about the songs being about my experiences from childhood right to present day, whether it's permaculture or digging ponds, working on equipment, going to school, learning to read, all of the things that are covered in my book. There's also things that are, I don't want to say political, but they are political in a certain extent. In New York State, we've got lots of things changing here, which are really forcing Thea and I to do some heavy-duty thinking about what our future plans are. I had always been set with Mindful Living Sanctuary here, our homestead, our farm, here being our forever home, and both of us have wanted to die here. But we'll explain in future videos some of the questions and concerns that are coming up. But one of the songs I released today, it actually addresses some of the big concerns that we have with the mayor of New York and his agenda and what's changing as far as, well, everything from property taxes and when I say mayor of New York, I'm talking about New York City. But because of the impact that New York City has on the state, and our state capital is in Albany, New York, outside of New York City, that's going to have a pretty profound effect on all decisions we have, that we're going to make from here on out. I'm one of those people, as you've heard in some of my songs before. I'm a believer in meritocracy. You work hard, you take the risks, work hard, invest in yourself, and you end up turning out well at the end of that. As a result, your hard work gets paid off. And with some of the changes that are happening right now in our state, well, it looks like that method that's been a big part in the United States is getting eroded away at this point. It's happening. The same thing is happening in California as well. New taxes, new rate hikes on everything. Foolish investments. I mean, certainly one of the things that the state approved back in 2019 was investments in some offshore windmills off Long Island and all, and other types of what they'll call improvements to the to the grid and to services infrastructure. They just aren't, if you read the details of what they're proposing. It's just absolutely doesn't make sense financially, and it certainly is just going to cost New York taxpayers and residents much more over the years. So a couple of the songs are about that particular those particular topics rather, and they're very concerning. I'm just surprised that we're in the situation that we're in right now. I think not enough people are getting out there and voting and doing the things that their civil responsibilities need to do, and we've got our educational system isn't doing the best job educating our young folks at this point in time. They're focusing more on things that I don't think that are that important, and the real core educational features that are necessary to be successful in life just aren't being pushed. Our educational system has had some of the wrong objectives that have developed over recent years. Anyways, those are my thoughts about that. I'm going to go ahead now and head up back. I'm going to bring some wood in to the garage as well. And I think I'll end my narration at this point. I really do appreciate you folks watching. Please feel free to leave comments and your thoughts and perspectives. I enjoy reading those as well. Even if you disagree with my thoughts and philosophies, that's what's great about America, is having open dialogue and communications. I think that's very, very important. Well, anyways, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay safe and take care now. Bye-bye.
Used to be the city that never sleeps, lights so bright you'd never weep. Empire State, concrete jungle, dreamers came from far and deep. Now the mayor's got a new plan, socialist fever in his scan. Tax the rich, but the bill lands on every working man. Free buses, yeah, we heard the pitch, but the fare still hit like a glitch. Child care for all from 6 weeks to 5, but who's paying? You and I. 9.5 on property, The state's taxed to 50G, from 7 mil down to 750. Kiss your grandma's house goodbye. Oh, this guy's running our once great state, empire crumbling at a socialist rate. Equity offices cashing in the millions, diversity chiefs getting their fillings, while the subways stink and the rents still climb. Welcome to Mamdani's New York Times. Once great state,
Now it's fate.
taxed to death in the Empire State. Office of Racial Equity, 5.6 a year. Commission on the same, another 4.6 clear. DOA Chief Diversity Officer, salaries in the 6 figures high. FDNY got their inclusion boss, while the fires keep burning by. Civilian chiefs in every hall, bureaucrats standing tall. But the potholes grow, the cops get cut. Priorities, not at all. He promised free rides on every bus, universal care without the fuss. But the budget's bleeding red, so property taxes crush us. Estate tax to 50%, threshold slashed to the bone. Middle class dreams turn to dust, now we're all alone. Oh, this guy's running our once great state, empire crumbling at a socialist rate, pumping millions into equity dreams, while the city splits at the seams. Free stuff for some, but the rest pay the price in Mamdani's progressive paradise. Once great state,
Now it's hate.
for the folks who built the Empire State. He came in rapping like Jada Kiss, talking change and immigrant bliss. But the promises fade like morning mist when the checks don't hit. No free buses rolling yet, no groceries city owned, just more offices, more hires, while the middle class gets owned. This guy's running our once great state, tax hikes, woke hires, endless debate. We voted for hope, got a budget choke, now the city's broke and the dream's a joke. Empire State, what have you become?
Under Mamdani,
The shine is gone.
once great state.
Once great state, now it's just too late.